Ever wondered if planes are just patched up with duct tape? Let's dive into the truth. Hey, aviation enthusiasts! Today we're debunking 3 big myths about airplane maintenance. Myth hash 1. Planes are always falling apart. Wrong. Aircraft undergo rigorous inspections and maintenance to ensure they're always airworthy. Think more NASA, less duct tape. Myth hash 2. Pilots are constantly battling mechanical issues. Not even close. Modern planes are packed with advanced technology and redundancy systems to keep things running smoothly. It's like having a backup for your backup. Myth hash 3. Maintenance is rushed to get planes back in the air. No way. Maintenance follows strict regulations and thorough checks. Safety always comes first. Regular maintenance is key to keeping the skies safe. From routine inspections to major overhauls, every check is vital. Aircraft mechanics use advanced diagnostic tools and undergo extensive training to ensure every flight is safe. So next time you fly, remember the dedication and expertise that keep those wings up. Have questions? Drop them in the comments and let's chat. Fly safe and fearless.